Hey folks, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, on location at Zoho's inaugural SMZ event, and I'm joined with Thammal Savan from Zoho. He's a product manager of Zoho Solo. What is it in a nutshell?
Solo is all about like managing your contacts, managing your task, creating invoice and adding expenses, adding notes, all in a single application. So I will give the demo of the application. So this is the application view.
Yeah.
So on opening this, you will get this view.
So this is like your calendar view.
Calendar view. So you can see the month view, or you can see the current week view. Okay, so when you start your business, obviously you want to know what is the current work I have today.
Yeah.
So you can, I created a few tasks. So develop product packaging mockups. So this is the task I want to do today now. So once the task is completed, you can create an invoice from here itself.
Right there.
Right there. So it's a single tab. So you can add an invoice here, and you can add what are the works items. So it's done. You can add a amount you want to add, and just done.
Now, let's do an example of, say, a plumber. He goes to the job, he finishes the job, he can send the invoice right then and there.
Right then and there, and you can share the invoice to the customer and get paid instantly.
Instantly. So even before they leave the job, they can already get paid.
Yeah.
And this is like the dream of any solopreneur, because cash flow is always an issue. And so if they can get paid right away, that is a game changer for them.
So the study says that most of the payments are delayed because they send the invoice very delayed.
Yes.
So that's where the problem comes. Because of delayed payment, they face this cash flow problem.
Yeah.
So that is why when they create invoice on the go, they can share it instantly and get paid instantly. So that's a quick process. Okay, and then you go to invoice finance tab. You can add an expense. Like for adding the expense, you can, for example, you travel from one place to another place.
Yeah.
So that's where the record mileage will be useful, and you can record a mileage here. So you can add a odometer, your car, and distance, or in case of. So some people, you can configure like for 10 kilometers I charge $7.
Yeah.
For 20 kilometers I charge $20. You can configure all those things in the settings. So once you travel 20 miles, the amount will be calculated and done. Yeah, it's a simple.
What about if I go to, say, Home Depot, let's say I'm a plumber, and I have to buy some material for the job. I have the receipt. How do I get it inside there?
Yeah, you can add a receipt here, add expense. You can calculate the total amount. You just add it, $45. What for the tools? Just add it as a tools, like tools or something. You can add a category here.
Oh wow! So you have all these different categories.
All the categories here.
Let's take a look at this. So you got.
So you have advertising, automobiles, consultant, all these categories listed here. And for the solopreneurs, for plumbers, you can take repairs and maintenance and assign to whom you are going to do the work. So I am just David Miller. I'm going to create this and just add it. That's it. When they start their business, every penny is matter.
Yeah.
Every cent is matters for them. So they don't want to spend more money on the software because they want to spend more money on their actual work.
Yes.
So when we give the free edition, they get the confidence of using the application.
Yeah.
So once their cash flow is good, they will pay us.
Yes.
So we offer a free edition for lifetime with some limitation, obviously, and the generous free edition, that is. Most of the business happens in the mobile.
Yeah.
So that is why Solo is introduced as a mobile-first application. For a painter or plumber, they use their phone. They don't carry laptops or something.
Yes.
So they go to the client's place and do the work and create an invoice and get paid there itself.
Folks, if you're a solopreneur and you have some cash flow difficulties, this is a perfect tool to not only track everything you're doing, your expenses, but you can get paid right away. Hey, thanks so much.
Thank you, Andy. Thanks for the interview.